friends, welcome on Yourpedia, and I have made one video earlier that was related to internship in daad wise internship for various universities in Germany, and those students who are in 5th or 6th semester of their graduation, they can avail this internship. And there is a this is a sponsored internship, paid internship, in which you are not to spend money from your pocket. In fact, daad scholarship will be given to you. And I also discuss with you the relevance of internship. It is so important for your career, like you get opportunities on the basis of the internship. To get internship, you should have some professor in the host university. So host university is professor is the professor in German universities which are affiliated with the such scholarship, and you should get positive response from them. And I also told you that mentors of Yourpedia will help you in that, to help you make your CV and get in touch with such professors and all. So there is very high probability of if you are graduate from these universities. I am going to discuss with you approximately 150 universities from India. If you are graduating from these universities, you are in 5th and 6th semester, and you want to avail this daad wise scholarship for internship, then the probability of your getting is very high. Then you can get in touch with the mentors of Yourpedia for availing this scholarship. So let me tell you these universities. So all the IITs will be part of that. We know we have 23 IITs, including IIT Dharwad and IIT Dhanbad. So 23 IITs are there, and then 30 approximately your NITs, all IITs, all NITs, if I add, so that brings it to some number 53, 23 plus 30, and then 52, 53, and then I think 29 NITs, so are all added. No, this is 31 I think, yeah. So all NITs, all IITs, and then some more institutes, triple IITs. So IITs, NITs, triple IITs, they are all added into that. Then VIT, Thapar Institute, Manipal Institute, Birla Institutes, Kalinga Institutes. These are some reputed private institutes. Amrita Vidyapeeth, Shiv Nadar, College of Engineering, Anna University, School of Architect and Planning, Anna University, Delhi University, ISC Bangalore, Thiruvananthapuram, Rajiv Gandhi Petroleum and Technology, Jadavpur University, ICT Mumbai, School of Planning and Architect, Vijayawada, this Bhopal, New Delhi, Jamia Millia Islamia, Aligarh Muslim University, SRM Institute, Chennai, ICR, Behrampur, Tirupati, Triple IT Agartala, Bhagalpur, Bhopal. Okay, so actually these universities are Triple IT, IIT, NIT plus some reputed institutes as VIT, Thapar, BIT, Manipal, Shiv Nadar, SRM, so College of Engineering Pune, Trivandrum, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Hyderabad campus, JNTU, Coimbatore, Karunya Institute of Technology, MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, CV Raman, Cochin University of Science. So these are some colleges which are, if you are from these colleges, if you are undergraduate from these colleges, and if you want to go for paid internship daad wise scholarship, and you are in 5th and 6th semester with a good CGPA, I have made a previous video, please refer to that video. Internship will be very helpful for you to get paid master's program, MS program, for which you may spend a lot of money later on, but if you go through this internship, then you may get paid MS program. So if you are from these colleges, friends, get back to mentors of Yourpedia, and surely you can convert that into selection. All the very best. Keep watching Yourpedia. Thank you.